the crew, get the smackdown. Actor, hold up, you're not strong enough. Say you wanna go against my crew, better slow it down. Back down, right now, okay, back down. Say you wanna go against the crew, get the smackdown. Actor.
Sup, I Colitas, aka Mr.Hip-Hop, and about the party. Since Belle's returned to a state park, they gave me a list of rules and regulations. Ain't that about a blimp? But first, I want to show y'all something. Look at this.
I got nothing for ya. AMP, black and green, my family. West to east, 3 do screw, 313.
Okay, back to business. Let me read this. First of all, I gotta book a booth. Can't have a booth without booking one. Well, I guess since all the government want to step in, and he want to tax your boy. Okay, let's do it. I gotta read y'all a little something. Let me put on my government voice. I got this. Park alert! Park alert! Attention, Belle shelter reservations.
Please be aware that it is your responsibility to ensure your guest and yourself adhere to the regulations put in place by the governor, Gretchen Whitty. I didn't go for it. In Executive Order 2020-110 to help slow the spread of COVID-19, Belle is a Region 1, and therefore a maximum of 100 people are allowed to gather outdoors and 10 people are allowed to gather indoors. Additionally, persons not from the same household must maintain a 6 feet social distancing. Please ensure you and all your guests are informed and prepared before you arrive. Thank you. I have read and acknowledged all of the park alerts that are listed.
Taxing me. The government always want to get a piece. Okay, look at this. Okay, it says arrival date, my daughter's birthday. Party size, I'm gonna just say 75. Yeah, 75. 75 of y'all better show up. What's they want from me now? Oh, electric, water hookup, sewer hookups, features, shade, pets allowed, restrictions. There's so much to this now. You can't just go to the island and throw a party like we used to. I've been gone for about, let me see, 3 years, and everything's changed. What else they need me to do? How much is about to cost me just to book the party? Now I gotta book a party at Belle. Oh, wow. No bounce houses allowed? Hopefully something could change by the 31st. If not, no bounce houses allowed. Sorry about that. Restrictions? Pets? You can bring your pet. That don't even make sense. Who cares? No awnings? No fire pits? No smoking? No alcoholic beverages? I ain't gotta worry about that. We throwing a kids party. She only turning 5. You feel me? What's up? So they said that I need 140 to book booth 6. And the time available is 8 a.m. through to 10 p.m. But I think I'm gonna have to get up out of there about 3 or 4. Arrive about 11. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. About 4 hours we could be up there jamming. I think I'm gonna perform a little bit, but I think I should get him a call to make sure the other things that we do won't get us into any trouble. You know what I'm saying? Just meet us at booth 6. Oh, before I pay you my 140, I gotta create an account? Cha! Motorized vehicle rules. Michigan State Park requires a passport on all motorized vehicles that enter the park. A non-resident annual passport is $34. A non-resident daily passport is $9. A non-resident towed vehicle duplicate is $7. Wait, I gotta pay $9 because I got a Missouri plate now? I confirm that I am aware that fees and or penalties may arise if I change or cancel my reservation. Check. I have read and agreed to abide by all park policies. Check. I have read, understand, and will comply with all park agreement and any additional park or camp messages. Check. I agree that non-compliance may result in my camping privileges being revoked. They call it camping now? Check. I'd like to add $2 to support Michigan State Parks and Harbors. What? You just charged me $140? No. 1-800-44-PARKS.
The Michigan State Parks Reservation Service for campgrounds, harbors, lodging, and shelter accommodations. To take advantage of viewing real-time site and park availability, or to make change or cancel your reservation with a reduced fee online, visit us at www.michigan.gov/DNR. to have a representative process your reservation. Visit www.michigan.
And why did you tell me to call?
/DNR for more information. If you're calling from a rotary phone, please stay on the line. The next available reservation agent will be with you shortly.
Thank you.
If you need to change or cancel your reservation, please have your reservation number handy to provide to the agent. Your estimated wait time is about 25 minutes.
25 minutes.
InNoSint incantation number 95. Back down right now, okay, rap down. Say you wanna go against the group, get the smack down, act up, hold up, you're not throwing up.
For reservation agents, please press 1 now. Your position in queue will not be lost.
It ain't that many people calling y'all.
That's your transaction.
I thought we had a
Calls
deal.
are answered in the order received.
You see me showing the movie?
Thank you for continuing to hold.
I went to the Graham Crackers in there chocolate milk bag. You're supposed to be in there watching Magic School Bus. Graham, school, honey. Go nature.
Position in queue will not be lost.
Blows out. Why would you trick me like that? Why? If you're not gonna call me, why keep saying something? What? I know they just didn't hang up on me. Ain't this about a blimp? I guess somebody saw my call and said, click. So, can't ask any questions. Can't get anything figured out besides what they have on the website. Other than that, I guess we on our own. Okay, let me get the book in this joint. Remember, that's booth 6 from 11 to 4, maybe 3:30, 4 o'clock. It's gonna be food. I have like a couple bubble machines going and stuff. DJ has some music. We can figure it out. Rent a generator. Something. We can figure this out. They said no bounce houses allowed on the state park. So we gotta scratch that. I'ma set up the camera so we can do a couple little photo shoots with me and some of the fans and some of the family. Like a little meet and greet, you know? Oh, let me show you some of this merchandise. I got a couple things I'm gonna be passing out for free before they try to sue me. Man, we got some of everything. I got like these little headphone joints. I got some, shirts with your boy. Cha! I got some green flags, you know what I'm saying? I got some little face masks to point out, everything like that. I got a bunch of everything. I got some pens, some cups, you know what I'm saying? Now look at this right here. I got some cups, you know what I'm saying? So I got a couple things I'm gonna pass out, you know what I'm saying? Spread the love, show the love, come out, support your boy. It's Colitas, we're gonna be out there representing. So come out and show some love, you know what I'm saying? If you like this channel and what we doing, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, leave comments, come chill with your boy. I'm gonna be back in the city, you know what I'm saying? I ain't been around for like 3 years. Oh, check out the music. I'm on iTunes, Spotify, Deezer, 24/7. TikTok, all of this jazz. Make sure you know, show us some love, support, you know what I'm saying? I'm looking forward to seeing y'all there. Sup, baby, what's up? Cha! Make sure you hit that bell, you feel me? We got so much more videos to do. Rah-Baby gonna start up the cooking videos. I'm gonna be doing some gaming and interviews and traveling. S-Man gonna be doing some boxing. We gonna be doing things all over the place. Rain got a show coming out. It's about to be hype, you feel me? Cha! Subscribe, hit the bell, like, subscribe, follow us on Spotify, Instagram, iTunes, everything, TikTok, booyah!
Back down right now, okay, rap down. Say you wanna go against the group, get the smack down, act up, hold up, you're not strong enough. Say you wanna go against my group, better slow it down.